Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. And today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo phone sound and vibration setting friends. In this video friends I have to show you guys how can you on your do not disturb mode and guys how can you use guys your do not disturb mode setting in your oppo phone. In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting, tone do not disturb, then scroll it. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here and again scroll it. Friends, you can see do not disturb mode, so you want to on, so you can on from here and get do not disturb mode will on. After on guys, you can see this moon icon on your screen. So as you can see, your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarm and items timers, and the status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on. So you can see friends. So as I told you guys, you cannot use guys your ring and vibrate sound, so as you can only do not disturb mode. So when you do any urgent work and you think nobody should disturb you, so you should on your do not disturb mode, then guys you can do your work without any problem, without any sound like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to on do not disturb mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.